Okay, YouTube, we welcome you back to a new video. I do, at least Bdog, because Bdog got a new computer. My phone is charging right now, so that's why you're kind of tethered to the wall. But we got a new computer here. This is courtesy of edog himself. Well, I bought it, but I bought it from edog. So, thank you, edog, for letting me buy this from you. It was a good deal. He was a very kind sir. So, shout out to him. But, look at that. Wow. I hope you can see, because it's like kind of reflective, but maybe. I got an idea. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Let's see if this works. These are polarized. Oh boy. Okay, and then we tip it. Oh man. Let's see, does that work? Can you see? That looks even worse. You cannot see anything. Maybe if I rotate it? Nope. Well, there you have it. So, I don't know any of the details, any of the specs, but it is assuredly better than my mid-range one from 2014 or something. It was mid-range back then. So, you know, it's been kicking for 7 years to some extent, but it is long overdue. It's also water cooled, which is a first for me. It's also got RGB, which is another first for me. Yeah, I can't see what it is. It does not support VGA though, which I still have a monitor that uses VGA. So, yeah. I think I had 12 gigs of RAM or something. This is like probably 16. i7 maybe? I don't really know. You know, it's not important, but what is important is I will now be able to upload videos, or edit videos with more than the, whatchamacallit, with better motion graphics than you've seen from those intros for the Skyblock series, which I know all of you are watching, with those solid 1 views per video. I mean, that's not to say that those aren't, you know, works of art, those intros, but I could do 2 works of art now, right? Because I was trying to do some editing and it was like crashing before. It was really bad. Anyway, and so there's that. Maybe I can start recording music off of this too without it like slowing down as it goes. Pretty bad. Yeah, does this have a disk drive? It does not. Well, another holdout going, I guess. I don't know. Oh, I hope it has Wi-Fi actually. I forgot to check that. I don't think it does, which means I probably have to get a Wi-Fi card because there's no Ethernet up here. Could be an issue, but you know, I don't know. Well, there you have it. Bdog's new upgrade. Look forward to probably no change on your end. Yeah. TY. Like and sub. Enjoy. Peace out. Ciao beans, my friends.